Hey, welcome in. You might notice something a little different here. I decided to get the Afterbirth DLC, so kind of got a little more content to play through here. In the last one, we unlocked a new challenge, the tank, so we're just going to kick that off right now. Let's do it. Alright. We're the new character, a lot of HP, really slow. Kind of makes sense, we're kind of the tank. Oh, I have Stompy? I don't know if that's Stompy, but I can definitely smash rocks. That's pretty sweet. It's like free money. Free soul heart. I'll take that all day. I've been itching to get my hands on one of those DLCs, and I finally just ripped it. It was only like $10, so I felt like obligated to kind of get it. I'm not a big fan of being slow. It's going to make boss fights really difficult, but it should be fine. As long as we can get some good things to synergize, it'll be okay. New enemy, never see this one, let's see it. Just seems to be little gold flies, not really too exciting, honestly. What do you expect, it's a fly? Nothing in those, let's keep moving here. Okay. Spiders. Infamous foe of mine. Good thing the terrain doesn't mean anything because I'm huge. There we go. Easy. Oh, pot spawned a spider. That sucks. Alright. This guy can die. Come on. Oh, okay. Oh, almost got me. Holy shit. Alright, pin. This one can be quite annoying. Yeah, because of that. Oh. I don't know when he like perches like there, but obviously that'd be nice to know beforehand so I can actually shoot him. Almost got me. Alright, there should be wraps. Yeah, that's pretty easy. Damage up. That's big. Oh, it's a challenge one, so we don't get an item. I was sitting around looking for an item like a goober. And I don't really utilize these rooms much, but kind of feeling different today. Cursed. Great. And a troll bomb. That's gonna hit me because I'm so slow. Oh my god. Alright, whatever. Free items. Love to see it. I think Yum Heart's better. Because we can get, yeah, we get a free heart every, what? 4 rooms. Still not doing crazy amount of damage, but that's fine. Just rip that right away, why not? Easy. Alright. Oh my god, the flies, man. Nice. Don't really have any money to go to the shop, so it's kind of a waste of time. Ooh, put on the moves. And put on the moves with like 1 speed. You love to see it. Nice. Let's get rid of this poop here. Nice. Half a heart. Nice. Wow. Almost got me. Playing card? Chariot. Chariot's pretty good, I think, if I remember. Yeah. There's a new boss, too. I've never seen this guy before. Whoa. Okay. It's kind of cool. Little, like, teleport move. I don't know what that ball does. I don't really want to find out. Oh, he throws troll bombs through it. Okay. It's pretty cool. He just killed himself. Nice. Good use. Magic Scab, HP and luck up. Nice. Yeah, you'll notice on the side there I have those little icons. That's a thing with Afterbirth, I guess. You can kind of see the items I have, which is kind of cool. Makes it easier than kind of seeing it like this, so it's pretty nice. Okay, just a bunch of spiders. Do I get anything for this, or do I just get nothing? I wonder. I never use these rooms. I always think they're useless. See, like, I just took 2 hearts of damage for nothing. Or 1 heart, I guess. Big Diglett room. These aren't too bad. So, it's kind of bad when you don't do damage, but it's okay. I'm going to be trying to do daily uploads now. I think this is pretty easy to daily upload. I mean, I just want to try and beat all these challenges. I really like Isaac, and I really want to, like, get further in the game, so I think just making daily uploads would be good. That's a different pill. Bombs are keys. Cool. Nice. Oh my god, what is that? Oh! Jeez. Another mega room. This one's worse than the last for sure. That hits me. Okay. I have something that spawns bombs. Is he baking me? What is that? It's just baiting me. This is awful. Let me be the first to say it. Okay, that's fun. Alright, they're dead, thank God. Shop's there, we don't have any money still, we're still kind of broke. That's fine. Another one of these guys, that's fine. The mask actually worked there, by the way. If you couldn't tell, the mask kind of blocks projectiles, so. If they don't come at an angle anyway, they have to come straight on, which rarely happens, but sometimes. These gonna be kind of tricky with my slow ass movement speed, but we'll make quick work of them. Nice. I forgot those hurt me. Special. Rainbow poop. Yay! I don't know what it does. It's cool though. Like a mini Duke of Flies. That's kind of cute. He spawns these little gold guys. I still don't know what they do, if they do anything special. Nice. Oh, black poop. I guess you can call him tar. Come on. Come on. Oh. Spawns in the little tar guys. Okay. Nice. Okay. I just took damage from the fire. Jesus. And my bombs. Whatever. boss. Who we gonna see here? Gertie. Gertie sucks. Nothing I hate more than damn Gertie. Come on. I have some bombs. I'll use them. Or I'll push it away. Oh, I hit him. Thank God. I thought I threw that so hard. There we go. I don't mind this boss. This boss is pretty nice to me. I mean, he spawns these little sacks, but it's really not too scary, honestly. I mean, you can spawn flies all day, dude. It doesn't really matter. Okay. Okay. I'll take a hit. That's fine. Just kind of time consuming, honestly. I think if you stand on the side, it's a little easier to dodge. Yeah, he doesn't really shoot at a good angle. Yeah, kind of easy. I mean, it's only the second boss, right? So can't really expect too much out of him. Speed up, thank God. Wow, what a speed up. Still slow. Flooded caves. Ooh, I've never seen this one. Thank God the shield worked. Or mask, other. Guys aren't even trying to aim for me. They're just kind of spreading it out. Nice. Soul heart and a key. Nice, huge. Let's see. Blue flies. New enemy. What do? They blow up and they shoot tears. Oh, and spawn larva. Interesting. They're kind of cute. Come on. There we go. I have a soul heart. I really don't want to go in that room. Okay, button room. That's easy. That's light work. Okay, this is a judgment room. So things supposed to happen when you kind of hurt yourself on that. I've never really done it before, though. I don't know if anything's going to happen when I start doing it here, but I'm inclined to try. Just to kind of learn. Okay. Those bombs are really helpful, I can't lie. Master key, that's pretty huge. Oh, wait. Oh, it still eats keys. Oh, bad play. Well, not really going to use any keys, so... I wonder if I can just play him infinitely since I have a master key. I can open up that, no problem. What about this? Oh, okay, so he actually does take keys. Okay, that's fine. I have a heart in that room. That's pretty good. I can get that, I think. Yeah, 3 coins. These guys shooting like plus sign patterns. Not really too scary. Come on. Nice. Another heart. That's big. I can really play that judgment thing now. It's good. Let's see. Lust. I played Lust last time. This crazy ass dude would just bounce off the walls. Look at him. He's gaining speed. Like a damn NASCAR. Making a left turn. Easy. You wizard. Oh, it messes up my tears. It's not too cool. Kind of want to find my boss room before I... Oh, it sucks. When do we go back to normal? This is kind of cursed. Hopefully soon. I don't know if it hurts me if I touch him. Come on. This sucks. I hit him once, hit him twice. Huge, huge, huge. Okay, it's back to normal. We'll stalemate. I got dead. Got a key. And those all went on those. I'm not touching those. Let's see. Okay, here's little gold flies again. Kind of look like golden carrots from Minecraft, honestly. Little Duke of Flies. I like that enemy. Oh. Oh, that hits me. Yeah, I figured. Oh, it spawns more bombs every time I get hurt? Jesus. Kind of hectic, but cool. Alright, I want to fight the boss before I play that judgment thing, I guess. Alright, new boss. Tentacles, and he leaves creep. Okay. Okay, he's got a little, like, bullet hell. He's kind of, like, freezing the bullets there. Holy shit, now he's speeding them up. That's kind of cool. Makes a little funny noise, too, when he pops out. Little, like, spring noise. Going a little non-verbal. I'm trying to really focus here. Enter the Gungeon on PS4 used to get me right for this. I have some bombs. I could low-key bomb him. See, like, that freezing bullet thing he does, and then he'll speed these up. That's still tricky on my timing, and he knows it. Beat that bomb for me. Thank you. Huge. Big dodgers. Yep. Die. 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 Awesome. Huge. Actually felt like a good fight. This is really nice too. Not the pageant. I don't really care about the pageant, but the hearts. I can kind of play that thing to, like, maybe like 5 times. I'm not entirely sure, honestly. It's exciting though, for me. I don't know if hurting yourself is exciting, but it's not me. Okay, troll bomb. Oh, the troll bombs are gonna spawn every time. Oh, that's gonna be awful. I don't know if leaving the room kind of resets it or not. You feel blessed. Okay, I'm blessed. Bless up. I got a chest. Cool. I think that's the last time I can play it. What's that? Luck up. Nice. Okay, I think that's all I'm gonna do for it. This is free, why not? I'll buy a heart. I don't know what this is. Double item vision. Oh. Okay, I guess I kind of got a free heart there. I'll play one more time. Oh. Oh, look at that. Teleport to an angel room. What's this? Damage resistance. I got a wafer. Okay. Oh, I'm not playing that. Woo! Alright. I think that's all I'm going to play on that. I don't know if there's more I can do with it or not, but that's pretty exciting. Oh, I thought for sure it was a secret room. Nice. Don't want to get hit there. Just navigate myself. Did I? Okay. I'm a little special. Stay with me here. Hard to see that through the timer. Give me something. Yeah, troll bombs. Teleported. Back to the engine room. Ah, buddy, I was already there. Nice try. You die. Thanks for the 4 gold. Nerd. Alright, got 5 hearts. Wasn't there 2 in the boss room? I think so. Yeah. Ooh. Pay attention. This is a good run so far. I'm really enjoying this so far. Yeah, 2 hearts. That's big. Alright, let's go. Go down further here. What is this, like the cellar, boiler? Depths. I'm totally wrong, holy. Okay. Those guys shoot. Okay, cool. Duck and cover. Nice. Ooh, lucky paw. Left hand. Not lucky. I don't know my items. Jeez. No keys. I wasted them all on the last floor. Didn't really think I needed them. Still don't think I really need them. I don't think those chests are really any good. Most of the time there's duds. Almost. Almost. Woo! It's like a TV. Like the screensaver they used to have. Just bouncing off like the corners. So you get all excited. That was a good thing growing up. Just seeing the screensaver bounce off. Thinking it's going to hit the corner. Never did. There we go. Easy room. Let's see here. Bats. They do that little like speed up thing. Yeah. He might do it now too. Yeah. Not terribly difficult. Friendly spiders? That's nice. Stupid brain guys. These guys are so stupid. Gotta focus to hit him from the back. Woo! See, they just like, oh my god, okay. Whatever. They're dead. Move on. Brains. And they leave creep, of course. I didn't realize that guy was aiming at me. That's different. Ooh. Ooh. I like the little noise he makes, the little spit noise. Is he done? I guess so. Good. Oh, so hard. See that? Totally forgot I could break rocks. I gotta remember that. More brains. It's like finger painting. They just kind of like roam around the edges. Oh my god, it's so embarrassing. Just falling in the creep. I know it's there. Thought it was gone. Stupid damage. Free bomb. Okay, you can really mess those guys up by doing this. And they're kind of forced to rotate around that thing. If not, they're gonna rotate around the edge. Big knowledge, big brain. I take a lot of damage too. I think this little like corner I got him here can do a lot. Yeah, perfect. Set him loose. Nice. Key, it's big. Got a lot of hearts now. What are these, like, super fatties, I think they're called? I don't know. These guys shoot the tears, or they fart? They do both. Okay, great to know. Not gonna catch me off guard with you. Huge. The devil? I don't know what that card does. Spiders, not cool. Leave, come back. Shop? I have 10 coins. I don't think it's really worth it. Oh, it's a different room. I've never seen a room so small before. It's like a damn broom closet. Oh, this is awful. Okay. That happens. It's a pretty easy room. Little tentacle guys. More of these guys. He's glowing green. He kind of scares me. Open up a secret door too. 2 birds, 1 stone. Ah! And I can never get behind them. They always just like randomly turn around like that. Like, isn't he not supposed to know I'm here? Like, how does he know that? Yeah, you see me. Okay, you don't see me. Okay, you see me? No, you don't see me. He spawns 2 more. Wow. I mean, it could have been worse, but... There we go. Okay, what's that? Blister, bounce back. Like, tears, or... I don't know. I'm gonna keep this. Secret room. Little devil room, probably something trolly. Oh, actually good spiders. That's rare. What's that do for me? That, it's gonna get me killed, I think. Oh, jeez. Okay. There's so much happening right now, I can't focus. Okay. Oh, it's the bouncy guy. Of course. Like I can bounce off that skull, look at that. Like an arcade machine. Not an arcade machine, pinball machine, that's it. Mario Party pinball. Oh, those are brimstones. Okay, I remember that. Woo! See, when he gets going crazy like that, it's really scary. Come on. Come on. Come on. There we go. Other than that one spinny move, this guy's really not too difficult. I mean, the brimstones are kind of... I don't know if they're difficult, they're more so just annoying, but... Oh, he kills them. Awesome. Close. Die. Awesome. Caffeine pills. More speed. Oh, I'm not really turning to the tank now, am I? I'm sizing down. Already on the final boss here? Or final level, I should say. Not boss, but... Another one of these weird rooms. It's like they condense like the corridors. It's kind of cool. Can imagine it's not really... I just wasted that. Oh, I didn't think I was full HP. I never really am. I normally just take a lot of damage. Nice. I don't know how long I had that luck up pill for. You're supposed to tell me when I have stuff like that. Miss me. Nice. Cute. That's still up. Oh, I'm just a fool. See what I mean? There we go. Not gonna pick that up yet. I only have half a heart missing. These guys are different. Do they do anything? Should I ask that question? Are they gonna do something? One just spit out a spider, that's it? Okay. More spiders. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Wow, he's really going. Alright, not bad. Okay. Fine. Bombs kind of do justice here. Getting these guys on the edge is really helpful. Handy, helpful, whatever you want to say. Nice. Oh my god, haunts. And stupid ghost guys. They also shoot tears? Wow. Wow. Look at that movement. I'm like prime Michael Vick. And I spawn another guy. Oh god. And he hit me. Don't kill me with the bombs. Thank god. This is awful. Wait, I wonder if I just leave. I want to go to the arcade. Set a mental reminder. Arcade equals gambling. And I'm just taking all the damage. Okay, it's fine. Whatever. I love taking damage. It's like my favorite hobby. What's that? Super magnet. It pulls. Nope, I don't do magnets anymore. Hell no. Wait, they're back? Because I never cleared the room? Technically? Okay. Way easier than the damn skeleton guy, I'll tell you that. Way to do your job, shield. Bombs are keys. All right, let's go gambling a little bit. Heart, it's good. Coin, coin, heart. All right. I'm good, honestly. I'm good. Oh, I already was in that room. All right, boss. Mom? Still mom, okay. I really like this, like, rock breaking perk. Sorry, my brain wasn't functioning. Yeah, this rock breaking perk, though, it's really nice because I can always clear rooms like that. I don't have to worry about obstacles that I normally would have to, or waste bombs on them like I normally would. She's really stomping. Big bomb. Can't lie. I'm kind of him. Bombs are keys. See that? Big pro play. Get more bombs. Kill him. Big. I don't think so. Nice stop, Mom. Nice stomp. Can't lie. Gotta give credit where credit's due. There's so many bombs. I hate bombs. Isaac. Mom! Oh my god. This is a bruise match. Like a heavyweight MMA fight. Just both throwing slugs. Oh, she stomped the shit out of that guy. I love when Mom just shouts in my ear. I'm out of bombs. And she's still stomping. That hit me? Come on, game. Trying to move side to side, just kind of avoid Mom here. I must say, this fight for like challenges is so much easier than like the heart. The heart is just really difficult if you're not strong enough for it. I took that on purpose, I swear. Looks good though. We have a good amount of HP left here. I like when she stomps and she doesn't spawn anything. Yeah, like that. Really good play. Hope my bombs would clean up something, but didn't. Thank God she stomped on him. Let him get back up. Again. Come on, Mom. There you go. Nice. 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 Nice, 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 nice. Chill out, relax. Did she die already? Like, does she even have health anymore? There we go. Woo! Stem cells? Oh, placenta. That's a new item. Oh. We're victors on that. Let's go. New rune has appeared. And that's the tank done. I appreciate you guys watching. Feel free to tune in. I should post daily now. I at least plan to. And yeah, take care.